Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Hans Kitchen, the one and only original male cooking channel in Ghana and beyond guys. The efficacy of a building depends on the foundation of that particular building. So it is with your food recipes. If your food is going to taste nice, then it all depends on the spices you use. I bring to your doorstep the long-awaited all-natural spice blend recipe, the healthiest and tastiest of all times. Ingredients and their respective measurements are listed in the description box below for further clarifications. I will be using dry calabash nutmeg, anise seeds, rosemary, bay leaf, star anise, cloves, red dry pepper, negro pepper, white pepper, and cinnamon for this recipe. I will now transfer all my spices into my dry blender for smooth blending, as you can see on your screens. Family, this spice blend recipe is the secret ingredient to all delicious and healthy food recipes. Guys, when you try this recipe out, you will thank me later. It makes your soup so delicious. So I will be blending it now. Guys, I will advise that you employ the help of your earthenware, that's your asanka, to crush down your hard spices into smaller sizes for easy blending. That's if your blender is not as strong as mine, as you can see on your screens. So I'm crushing down the hard spices into smaller sizes with the help of my asanka, so I can blend without any stress at all. After crushing it down with your earthenware, it is time to transfer it back into your dry blender for smooth blending. Guys, please take note of this. Please don't forget to pause your blender in the process of blending to prevent your blender from getting spoiled quickly. So after several minutes of blending, my all natural spice blend recipe is ready. Guys, it's ready as you can see on your screens. The kitchen is smelling so nice, Charlie. It smells so nice. Can you see what I'm seeing? The spice blend is looking beautiful as you can see on your screens. It is fine and smooth as you can see, fine and smooth, so nice. So let's go through the second method of getting this spice blend recipe done. You can do that with the help of your mortar and pestle, as you can see, your warmer and wardrobe. So you transfer your dry spices into your mortar and pound it with your pestle, that's your warmer. Ground or pound it till it's fine and smooth. Then guys, you are good to go. Transfer your spice blend into your clean container for long-lasting lifespan. Then guys, you are good to go. You can keep it in your cabinets or your shelves, and guys, you are safe with that. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Guys, if you think I deserve a thumbs up, then please, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And to my ever supportive subscribers, big ups to you all. For the love shown so far. So guys, this is your long awaited all natural spice blend recipe, as you can see on your screen. Perfect. This is perfecto. See you with another video. Bye guys.